This is the StarShip Torch that we've been waiting for months. So we got this from SpaceX. It's the StarShip Torch that actually works. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox it. So first here we have the instructions on how to fill the tank so we can get some flame, and we're gonna show you guys how it works. So right off the bat, it feels a little bit heavy, but that's because it's made of all metal, no plastic. And let me show you guys around. So this is the control system, so you can control the flame. And then on the top, you take the cap off, and that's where you fill the gas. I'm gonna close it up. I'm gonna test it out. I'm gonna take the safety lock off. Are you guys ready? So check that out, pretty cool. So you can use it for many things, burn marshmallows, I don't know, get creative. But let's see. And that's it, 175 bucks. Been waiting for many months, but it's finally here and it's worth it. You gotta add it to the collection.